made it. We bought it. So yeah, so this is it, you guys. So yeah, we will unbox it up so you will not get bored. So okay, buksan na natin ba? Hindi na ako nagsabi ng mga hazel here. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so the first thing you will see on the back is this pink instruction. You see, this one, 1, 2, 3, and this thick book right here. You see how thick it is? Okay, now let's proceed to the next component. Okay, so we have this cables right here, and this is for the charger, I guess. Yes, it is. And then this is the USB cord and the belt. Yeah, it says Canon right there. Let's see. And then what is this? Okay, so of course the lens of the camera. Okay, so this is the lens, you guys. So if you will buy the Canon M10, you will have this for free as well. Not for free. For the this is included. Included. So yeah, and then so this is the exciting part. So this is the camera right here, you guys. But anyway, there's still at the bottom right there. And you will see. So okay, so yeah. So this is the battery and the battery charger. So this is the cord of the charger. So yeah, and then this is the exciting part. So this is the last camera in the store, you guys. So I would like to take the black one because I decided I want the black one. So but this is the last one, and it's white, and white is much more expensive than black. So we were there at the store like 20 minutes thinking what to take because this is much more expensive, and the black is the display, and I don't want to get the black because it's display and we don't know how many people touch and play with it. So yeah, so my husband decided to get the white, and me as well. I would not risk to buy the black. Maya, so no, okay. So I will not risk my money buying that black display camera, and you know, a lot of damage already. So yeah, we bought the white one, even though it's a little bit expensive. So yeah, this is it, you guys. This is how it looks like. So it's not matte, and that's good because it's white, and you will like it is like you know, the dirt will really visible with the white. So yeah, and it's not matte, and it's really good because if it's matte, then it is really hard to, not really hard, like really a little bit hard to clean. So yeah, you see. So this is how it looks like, and this is, oh my goodness, I'm so excited to use it. So yeah, so the flip screen is not like Canon G7X, like you can, like there's something in here. So that's the only, ganyan lang siya. So that's the only thing you can do with that screen. So anyway, yeah. Okay, so let's see. We will put the lens, and we will see the, what do you call it? We'll see the quality of this camera. So buffering again. So how can you put this one? Paano ba to? Oh. Ay. Ay. Okay, so it clicked already, and then we will put the battery. I'm so excited, oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Yeah, we will have a better quality on our vlogs, you guys. Thank you guys for watching my vlogs as well. So how can you battery open? Okay. Okay, so I'm learning to use this for now. So by the way, this is my first ever camera that I own in my entire life. Thank you, husband, for buying me this. Yeah, this is actually his present, his gift for me. So yeah, how can I put this one? Okay. Okay. And then by the way, we bought 32 gig SD card right there, so I'm gonna put it in as well. I don't even know how to open this SD card. Hala. Okay. I'm supposed to be using scissors, but anyway. There we go.
Gdzie jest czekolada?
Do szafa kuchnia. Okay, excuse. Tam na dole, bardzo na dole. Szafa. Widziałaś?
Tam gdzie whisky?
Tam gdzie ma Filipino, tam.
A jest.
And then, yes. How can, oh! Okay. Excuse again. Okay, so, okay. We will gonna turn it on. How can you turn this on? Okay. Charge the battery. So unfortunately, you need to charge the battery, so we will not gonna see the quality of this camera for now. So yeah, you see, charge the battery. So anyway, yes, you guys, we will have a better quality on our vlog, so stay tuned for my next vlog because it will be a good quality already. So yeah, I'm very happy. I do have camera now. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to play with this camera, little camera. So okay, so I guess this is it for this video, you guys, and just give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell below as well so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos, and we'll see each other again next time. Bye.